Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So my name is Shovik and today in this video I'll be talking about what is share market, what are the things that can be done in the market, why should we learn about share market, what is inflation, what is auto sweep facility, how much rate of returns can we expect from the market. So these are the things which we are gonna discuss in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video, guys. What is stock market? Stock market is a public marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to trade in listed companies. The performance of stock market is often considered as the performance of the economy. If the stock market is growing, it means that the economy is also growing. And if the stock market falls, it means that the economy is in a downturn and vice versa. There are two types of things that can be done in the market. One is short-term trading, another one is long-term investment. Short-term trading includes intraday trading, swing trading, futures and options. Whereas long-term investment includes buy and hold strategy. In this strategy, we buy a share and hold it for a long term. Another one is value investing. Value investing is a type of strategy in which we find undervalued stock and invest in them. Third one is growth investing, in which we find our average company and invest in them. And the last one is index investing, in which we invest in market indices, say for example Nifty 50 or Sensex. What is the purpose of life for every common man? The answer is financial freedom. So now let's talk about financial freedom. So financial freedom is a state in which you don't have to think for your expenses and don't have to rely for a 9 to 5 job, in which you can live your dream life. Say for example, if you love traveling, you can travel the world without thinking about your expenses because you have ample amount of assets and resources to meet your daily requirements and needs. How can we achieve financial freedom? The answer is through investing. Legendary investor Warren Buffett sir once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." So this is a famous quote by him. So where does we invest? Some will say that keeping in saving account or a bank FD, etc. The saving account interest rate goes from 2% to 3%. Fixed deposit interest rate goes up to 3% to 8%. So keeping your fund in saving account or FD will not help you to achieve financial freedom. They act as a place where you can keep your emergency fund. So there is one facility named as auto sweep facility. The auto sweep facility is a simple feature that transfers excess fund from saving account into a fixed deposit account. It connects your saving account into a fixed deposit account, allowing you to earn higher return on the surplus fund available in your saving account. Top features of auto sweep facility in saving account: boost your earnings with a higher interest rate than a regular saving account. Easily transfer the surplus back to your saving account when needed. Utilize the auto sweep feature to create separate fund for emergencies. So will they be able to achieve financial freedom? The answer is no, because they will not be able to beat the largest enemy, that is inflation. So what is inflation? Inflation is the rise in price of goods and services over a period of time. Currently, the inflation in India is around 7%. So your bank FD will not allow you to beat inflation because a bank FD offers 7 to 8% return. So let's say for example, the price of 1 kg rice in 2024 is 100 rupees. The next year it will be 107 rupees. The next year it will increase by another 7%. So this is what inflation is all about. How much return can we expect from the market? The return that we can expect from the market varies from 12% all the way to 21%. Legendary investor Warren Buffett sir has managed to deliver 20% CAGR return over a long period of time. Late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the big bull of India, once said, "If you are earning 18% return on your portfolio, you are a king. And if you are earning 21% in your portfolio, you are an emperor." So, in the stock market, clarity is of the utmost importance. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.